Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been a while that I haven't uploaded videos. I think it's 3 weeks already that I haven't uploaded videos. But anyways, I'm having trouble. Feel like I'm running. I have reason for that. I'm gonna tell you why. But yeah, finally I decided to do a quick vlog before I'm gonna leave from work. I'm about to leave from work. And yeah, I don't have much time. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare my things, put it all on my backpack before I leave, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why I'm lazy to do videos. First, before I forget, I'm gonna take this aspirin 81 milligrams pills. I'm gonna take it real quick before I forget, before I'm gonna go to work today. Little tiny medicine, guys, super tiny. Alright, and then I love taking rice at work for my lunch. So every time I wake up in the morning, I cook rice to take for work for my lunch. So I love rice. I don't know, it makes me not hungry. I mean, it makes me full like longer. You have to take rice. Wait, put too much. There. That's good enough. 31. And I cooked yesterday sayote squash with ground pork. So I'm gonna add it to my rice. I'm gonna add something about this. Like that much. It smells good. So yeah, I have lunch for work. And I take iPad for work because I love watching Netflix for my an hour lunch break. So I did take it every day for work. Something to watch when I'm having my an hour lunch break. And this is my rice. And my water. I always have water with me because I'm thirsty all the time. And that's it. And also I ordered different colors of band for my watch, for my Fitbit Versa 3. I think it's cute. So I got 12 different colors. This is what it looks like, guys. Super nice, different colors. If I want to change my band to like white, black, pink, red, I can do that to like, you know, something cute on my outfit. But anyways, it's just fun. So I'm using right now white. I like the white one. I think it's cute. And yeah, they have so many different colors. 12 different colors. I don't have time to swatch it, like put it on and show you guys, but maybe next time. We got purple, pink, what do you call this? Dark blue, gray, light blue, maroon, I don't know, is it red, light gray, yellow, and red. So it's super cute. I like that I can change my band whatever color I want. So yeah. And also I forgot one more thing. We have black. If you want to change my band for black color. Okay, one more thing. I ordered a coat on H&M online. So yesterday, it was snowing yesterday, and it's still it stopped snowing today, but this morning, but it's still snow on the ground, so that means it's still cold, cold outside. So I want to try this, if this is work for cold weather. And yeah, this is what it look like, guys. Pink with the hood, like thick hood, kind of like a, I forgot, trench coat. That's they call it, trench coat. They got belt, and yeah, it's cute coat, and it's heavy because it's super thick. Hopefully it's warm when I wear it outside this cold weather today. And I don't care, I haven't washed it yet. I don't know how you're supposed to wash coat, but yeah, I got it on sale. They're on sale, and I got a nice price for it. And yeah, extra small. It's cute. Alright guys, this is what's look like the coat. I don't know how to like tie it down here, but yeah, that's what's good. I like the color and it looks comfy. And yeah, here's the style or the design of the coat that I got from H&M. Yeah, I don't know how to tie ribbon, and they still have one button here, but I don't know how to put button in it. And there's the hood. Super cute coat. Okay, I don't have much time this morning to continue my video, and it's late already. It's 8 o'clock p.m. already. This is the time that I'm about to get ready for bed, and I just wanna continue my videos that I haven't finished this morning. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Every time it's 8 o'clock, so like I'm just like wanna go get ready for bed. But anyways, I just wanna continue this. So I got two reasons. First, Dan's processor died, so he's using my computer right now. So I don't have computer for maybe, I don't know, till we finally buy a new processor for his computer, because right now it's hard to buy a new computer parts. It's like out of stock everywhere. You can find it on eBay, but it's expensive, like double the price or triple the price, something like that. So I don't have a computer to edit or watch videos because it's way different than the computer. I just noticed it when I'm playing with my phone. My phone doesn't update like anything like new videos or something like that. But anyways, yeah. So that's the first reason I don't have a computer right now. Done using my computer. And second reason is I'm pregnant. I'm 13 weeks pregnant now. So we're like really excited. And yeah, I just get tired easily. Sometimes with no reason I'm tired. I think that's part of first trimester of being pregnancy. I'm tired all the time, especially at the same time I'm working, and after work I'm like really tired. I just wanna like lie down and take a nap and rest. So that's my second reason for my life update. That's it for today's vlog, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. And I hope I'll see you on my next one. Bye everyone. Bye.